Hi traders, today is 16th of March 2020. So I think I will go in for Russell 2000 at 73.80. So order fill 74.60, the price we have. So this is a micro Russell 2000. Time now is 10 a.m. in the morning, New York time. Okay, I should enter on the lower side, but so let's wait and see. So the price target should be somewhere 1104. So let's queue first. Where the 11, I think 1100 should be a good price level for us to exit the market with this entry of buy signal. Okay. Okay, it's not far. So let's take a look on the lower time frame. So how the market goes. Alright, so that's where the point we did enter into the market. So far we haven't received any signal for NQ as well for ES. Still waiting if there's any possibility for okay, we have no, we have still haven't. Maybe later we will have a good signal for E-Mini to enter the market. Also looks like a bullish signal. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. So by the way, this video is about indexes for US Sesion, E-Mini S&P futures, Russell 2000, Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones as well, YM, and now at this moment we are waiting for E-Mini S&P futures to go for a bullish movement. So not yet confirmed the signal. We have to wait in 4 minutes time. Okay, so let's go back to Russell 1000. We already in the positive side, so plus $7, $8 in profit. So this is okay, $23 looks good, 34 looks good. I think I will exit first. How much it will? Alright, 81. Not sure is it because of the spread, because this is a scalping, and this is also a micro account. Let's sorry, let's take a look how much we get for this one. Yes, $35. So for this, let me check for the, I'm using M futures broker actually. So there's a margin requirement of $25 for Russell 2000. I will show you how I do it. So based from, okay, this is my channel. So feel free to go into all the playlists, all the video live trading since 2018. Okay, so the price did move back, so we don't care. Already profit $35 US. So it was a good one. And okay, so for E-Mini Russell M2K, $25 day trade margin requirement. So I use only $25 and my return is $35. So more than 100%. Is it? Okay, so now we are waiting for E-Mini S&P futures for a good entry. So I will wait this one to fill. No, not to fill. Okay, I have a connection problem. Let's everything be fine. Let's change to E-Mini S&P futures micro account. So we have a positive entry signal in 2 minutes time. So there's a high chance for it to go for a bullish signal. Okay, we might go for 2441. Sorry, 2442. So 2442 will be the entry level. Since the market already reached that price level, I will buy low, buy market. Alright, so I will buy market. I buy at the lower side, so price keep moving up, $5. Okay, so current position for E-Mini $16. Oh, it was a good one, 13. So For E-Mini actually, S&P Micro we did use require for $40 in day trade margin. Okay, let's wait. Hopefully the price will remain bullish for the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Target is 24.65 or 24.56. So I did around enter 35 to 56. So we target to exit at 56. So 55. Okay, I think I will take 54 as a discount. So looks good so far. Okay, minus 18, minus 23. Okay. So let's wait. Hopefully the price will remain on the higher side. So this might take a few more minutes. I believe in 20 minutes we will exit this position. So let's wait and see. Okay, just take a look on the profit is around plus 7. Now at this moment it's minus 13. So for NQ, my left chart here, so still haven't received any good indication for us to buy or to short the market. But let's take a look back on the Russell. Is it providing a new entry? Nope. So Russell already have a short sell signal. A short sell signal looks like confirm. If the price break through this price level, it will go on the higher side. So I might enter another one more round of a buy. I think I can buy over here, somewhere here. Yep, this is a buy order. Also can be placed somewhere here. So I'm working on the algorithm for this one. Still in the testing phase. Based from my live trading, it shouldn't be a problem. We have a good winning rate for E-Mini, S&P, Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, and Russell 2000. So, but for this M2K, normally the profit target is around $80 or $100 with one lot position size of a micro account. So just imagine you just need to use $25 to produce $80 in profit. It was magnificent. Okay, so for E-Mini, let's focus back for E-Mini. I hope the price might remain on the higher side. So let's go back to the chart, because this is the current position. We have earned $35, which is around a few 7 points. Yes, correct, 7 points. So we did get 7 points, so which means around 28 ticks. So current position for E-Mini is almost 10 points minus on the minus side. So need to be careful, really need to be careful in case the price reverse back to the downside. So there's a huge number of okay, we might enter another one more position to go for a long at 24.49.25. So 24.50. So I will go buy long at 24.50, which is 24.47 should be a good one as well. And then go for the higher side. So buy one stop at 24.50. Another buy position to add in the place. Alright, so what's wrong? Insufficient margin. Alright, am I in the wrong market? So let's take a look back. Buy one stop, it's correct. E-Mini S&P. Alright, what's wrong? Alright, not sure. We'll recheck again later on why I cannot add in another more position size. So let's wait. Okay guys, we pause this video. This might take a few moments, and I'm still expecting for the market to go on the higher side for the E-Mini. So So this moment you are minus 48 US dollar. So let's continue later on. Alright, it looks like the price reverse back to the upward position, and let's take a look on the so it seems like the market already reversed back from the minus 60 just now, or minus 80. So we are back to the positive side with the plus 8 US dollar, and we can say at this moment there's a possibility for another bullish entry, which might appear any not this moment, maybe in 2 minutes time. Also still investigating why I cannot make more entry for the micro account. Supposed to be the one day trade margin is 40 US dollar. I got around what thousands inside it, but I still cannot trade it. I'm not sure what actually happened. I'm also investigating while waiting for the market to back on the bullish side, and there's also possibility for another entry. I will pause this video for a while and resume back later on. Alright, looks like we back on the positive side. So now is plus 20, plus 12, plus 8. So might take some time, but it seems like we have a good a bullish signal to go for a long position at this moment, maybe to be confirmed in another 4 minutes time, based from my so I will show you my chart if you are interested to see. So I'm still in the process to do it in the algorithm. So I will have auto trade it with MT5 platform, which is quite good actually, and yep. So now we waiting for an right. I need to reconnect again. I'm not sure what happened. So let's go back to CQG. Okay, we are for oh, what happened? I already profit 40 or 50 US dollar. Alright. So I also need to send out one signal. There should be a confirm for buy position. Any moment soon. Okay. 52 was a good trade. Okay, I go flat, no matter what. I earned it. So we finished 2 trade just now, and there's a signal for a buy appeared. Okay, it was a confirm. So I will focus back on the chart to see this opportunity. Alright. Okay, so 40, 24, 48 is the good entry. Let's take a look. Alright, it's getting higher and higher. I'll show you how. Okay, it was a good trade. It almost hit my TP price level. So based from the purchase and sales, we have managed to secure $1, 8, 13, 9, 93 US dollar. So we just need to invest $25 and also $40 for this mini S&P 40, 25, 65 with a good return of 90 US dollar. So it was good after all. Okay, we have another signal to go for a bullish movement, and this one I will go to send out to my live Telegram channel. So from my live Telegram channel to go for the 2453, 75. So I will show you how I do it. Okay, so this is the E-Mini channel. So there's a link below in description. 24, what is that just now? 54, 53.75, 53.75, and it is 24.53.75, and the target TP is 24.6 should be good enough. Nah, not good enough. We go for 2462. Yes, we go for 2462. 2462 as a 0.25. Alright, and then the stop loss should be around 2432. 2432. Alright, this is the signal. I also need to send to another group for a signal as well. So is it a confirm one? I think it's a confirm one, although the market reverse back further down. Let's wait. Hopefully it will hit a bit slight down at this moment, but it will create another opportunity for a bullish situation. So I need to send out. Oh, I haven't sent out already. So send out first. I also need to send out to another group in USA, a group of small traders. Okay, both send already. So I think something wrong with my Telegram, which is I forgot to revise the date. So I need to revise the date. Edit it 16 today of March. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, this is just now profit crude oil 180. You can watch it in my live Telegram channel. Okay, let's to go back. There's a good 53.25 buy one stop limit order. We are going for a buy position. Okay, there. And the target is based from my live Telegram channel. There's a link below in description to go TP at 2462.25. So this is the real signal for my US session E-Mini. Just now it's not a real signal, it's just a itchy hand, maybe just a practice warm up before the US session, real US session begin. So the profit target is 2462 to 25. Okay, everything's replaced. This yellow line is the TP targeted price level based from my live Telegram channel, and this blue line is the entry level. And I need to pause for a while. Need to take a look on my son, and yep, we almost fill in. So there's no position at this moment. Orders working. 2 orders is working. Okay, we in the market. So it was a good one. Oh, it's quite fast. Alright. 17 US dollar 20. If reaching 40 very fast, then better exit. Okay, we hit. A few seconds only. Oh, it was a good one. Okay, so let's take a look. For E-Mini, I think we take around a few seconds for our position to be filled. Okay, fill. I think should be a fast one. 1 minute. Oh no, not 1 minute. It's 14 seconds. E-Mini is 14 seconds for. So overall we have around 100 plus today, 137 US dollar in profit. So it should be enough. This one is a micro, but if you are using the mini account, so you will get times 10, so it should be around 1000 plus. So it was a good one. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. There's link below in the description. Feel free to click on it and like, share, comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.